Hi, it's Rappin with Sister Phoenix checking in from Bordeaux for the second time this week. And as you know, or as you may have guessed, I am a big fan of fire. I love fire, had loads of fires this winter in our fireplace at home. I also love the imagery of fire and the energy of fire. And because of that, the topic of today is anger. Because I'm also quite a fan of anger. And I will tell you why. So, anger is viewed as a really negative energy. And it's true. It's a low vibing energy. It is not how we want to feel if we're living our best life, quite frankly. We want to be feeling love. We want to be feeling light. We don't want to be feeling anger. But when you're in the depths of despair, when you're feeling victimhood, when you're feeling disempowered, anger is actually a step up from that. Anger has energy. It has fire. So when you're feeling like a wet blanket, when you're feeling like a slug on the ground, anger is actually quite helpful because that gives you energy that you can then channel somewhere. Now, anger can be really destructive, of course, if channeled wrongly, but if channeled correctly to get you moving, to get you motivated, to get you upward spiraling, then by God, use it. And repressing that anger or being ashamed of that anger is what's going to get you back down. So don't be ashamed of anger. Don't try to suppress that anger, but take it, use it, channel it. Just like, fire, it makes trains go forward. It makes cars go forward. So make it help you go forward, use that anger. Okay, bye.